officer.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you doing?
Where are you heading to, sir?
We go club, sir.
Okay, sir. So what is inside your boot, sir?
Nothing by this time of the night.
Oh, really?
Nothing.
How about it? I salute you. What else, sir?
Officer, nothing. Make I give you this one, make you use it.
Okay, sir.
When I use drink,
okay, thank you very much.
It's all right.
God bless you, sir.
All right, officer.
I'm sure to carry on, sir.
All right.
What is it?
Good night, sir.
Waiting for hours.
Sunshine?
Who is your sunshine? Who is your sunshine? And where the hell are you coming from? Oh, you left me all alone in this house because you went out with another girl. You went clubbing with another girl. That is it.
Sunshine, where do you always get this stale information from? Where did you get it from? I mean, it amazes me how you hallucinate sometimes. Can we go to bed, please?
I am not going anywhere. You have to explain to me where you are coming from. Talk to me!
Okay. I went somewhere with Michael and Peter. They dropped me off at the gate here because I told them you're waiting for me at home.
Oh, you dropped Mike and whatever somewhere. And you forgot that I am waiting for you here in your house. So the place you went to doesn't have a name, right?
Sunshine, please don't stress me. Please don't start this nagging.
So I am stressing you, isn't it? I am stressing you. That's what you're trying to say. Oh, please let me go out. Leave me!
It's a secret.
What secret? Oh, so you keep secrets from me now. I no longer know my place in your life, H4. Why are you doing this to me? I tell you everything about me. You now keep secrets from me. I am done with all of this. I am tired!
That pregnant girl is dead.
What? I don't understand. What happened to her? I saw her today. So...
Michael said he came back from work and found the poor innocent girl dead.
This is bad news. Alright, so what's going to happen? I think you guys have to report this to the police. Yes.
Please?
Yes, of course.
The police will never believe us and think we killed her.
God. So what are you going to do? What's up, God? What's going to happen? Talk to me. Please.
Can you keep a secret?
I don't understand.
Sunshine, can you keep a secret?
Alright. Yes, just tell me.
We threw her body into the river.
What? Jeez.
Sonia, I love you from the depth of my heart. Do you love me? Do you love me? Talk to me. Do you love me?
Yes, I do.
Keep this a secret. Please. Secret. Thank you, bro.
It's alright. What are friends for? Just hold yourself together, okay? I have to take my leave.
Oh, please don't go. Stay with me.
You're crying again. Will you just stop this? Haven't you cried enough? Bruce, you can't be crying over spilled milk. Okay? Please, you just... Okay, I have to get up. Stop. Just get up. Please. Can you stop this? Can I have something to drink? Huh? Okay, go get something. Let's drink, okay? You're also hurting me. You have to stop this.
I was only trying to help, someone who needs my help. Better never known it would turn to be this way. Be careful who you are, so you don't fall into temptation and have yourself to blame. Then if I'm wrong, see what I've done to myself. Eben me menoka, and if I'm wrong, look what I've done to myself. Oh, Wabia, Odiku, Abugo. Wabia, Odiku, Abugo. So where do I go? And what do I do? Hey, I'm going insane. Where do I go now? What do I do now? I'm going insane. Guinea can't get any
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. How are you?
Hi, sir.
Man, this is good.
Thank you.
Wow. Yeah, I love it. At least this will bring a new beginning, you know. All those traumas will be wiped.
Exactly. That's
Yeah.
the idea.
You have even gotten a new gate man.
Oh, yes. I have a new guy now. So the idea is to start all over again.
Yeah,
You
this
know?
will be fresh.
Yeah.
I love that.
I even got a new van.
Oh, my God.
Let's go inside.
It's all right, man.
You don't fall into temptation and have yourself to blame. Then if I'm
Let's even get a job in this country. Eh? Even for a 15,000 naira job, they will still want to sleep with you. Ha! God, you didn't even answer my prayers.
Every morning, you just dress up and look like a banker. But you will come back still as poor as you were when you left.
Mama, is it that you don't know what it means to look for a job in this country? Eh? After school, you write applications to different companies. Then you get invited for interviews. Mama, what you should be doing now is to pray for me to get a job. Eh? Please.
Mamenate, I will not do it. Hey, if you try to get a job and it's not possible, you get married now. Eh? Choose one of those suitors that have been moving in and out of here and get married to. Okwebie, yeah, George again. Eh?
Mama, it's too early to start this marriage talk.
Well, I will not start. I won't talk again. But what I know is that if you cannot take care of me because you don't have money, you get married so that my in-laws can take care of me.
Mama, please, I don't have time. Why do you stop this way?
Go clean these shoes. I'm more sure another picture. That's why they don't give you work. Look at her. You're just going. As if you will never come back here to ask me if food is available. Okay. You just say, you will come and meet me.
It's some baby. The brighter one is, you know one thing? Since I was born, I have never seen a girl as beautiful as you are.
Tochi, if you know what is good for you today, pretend like you did not see me, Just because I don't want to transfer aggression to you.
Hey, so, do you know one thing? Just calm down. Look at me and you. Imagine that we bond. Yellow, Fanta, black, Coke. We're going to make a juice, so it's some baby.
Hey! Esomchi, you have suffered. I have suffered. Tochi, I told you today was not a good day for me. Please, I am begging you. I am begging you. Leave me alone. Look for another baby, look for another girl. Anything you want to look for. Keep your love to yourself or give it to them. I don't care. As for me, please and please, in fact, when next you see me, don't stop me, okay? Leave me alone, oh. Leave me alone.
I don't blame you. It's my fault. Get away, Somchi, with your love and your waist. Who cares? You will remain there like that till you get.
Welcome.
He didn't go away again today.
Amara, nothing ever goes well with me. I think I am under a spell.
I have to say that now. Don't say that. Always be positive. Listen, do not give up. Unless you want to settle for less.
Amara, I am tired. I am tired. I am tired. I have done everything. Every morning I wake up with the hope that that day is going to be better, but that day turns out to be worse. I go out daily, job hunting. I come back at the end of the day without any job. And at home is a nagging mom who does not fail to remind me of how she trained me through school, how I have not gotten a job yet, of how I haven't gotten married. To make it worse, She reminds me daily of how she's feeding me.
Come on. I wonder why your mother is mounting so much pressure on you. These things are things you can't handle by yourself. Eh? This is not something you can handle by yourself.
Who even understands my mother? Who understands her? I'm sure even my father does not understand her. Listen, I wish my mom was the only problem I even had. It would have been better, trust me. I won't even be complaining this much. On the paths and corners of this village are some little boys that is always begging me for relationship. Amara, what have I done to God now? Tell me, what did I do to God? What did I do to God to make me pass through all these things? Look at what I'm going through. When will my own day break? Tell me.
You make me laugh. You're just talking about yourself. No, take a look at me now. See me. From head to toe. Does it look like I have a life to live? Life has nothing to offer to me anymore. See what I do. You know the story now. Look at it. This is what I do every day. Just to feed myself. My friend. All you have to do is to put your trust in God. People have their different stories to tell. It's only when you're close to them, you will know their stories. Do not give up. Okay? Always say your prayers for better tomorrow. That's all I can tell you. Pico.
I'm really sorry for dumping all this on you.
Stop.
I'm sorry, it's just that at times I just get too carried away with all my problems.
We're in this together. Stop. Oh yeah, help me. Let's break it together.
Hey, yeah, all dara. Hello, baby.
Good day, sir.
Good day. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
No, you are pretty. You are looking good. Gorgeous. In fact, I know that God created you on a Sunday. Where are you going? Let me just go and drop you.
Wait. I don't understand. Let it not be what I am thinking.
No.
Are you trying to toast me?
Any man that sees you and not look back, that will mean that his manhood is not working.
And any old man who sees a young girl who could be as old as his granddaughter and could not control his manhood, then his manhood would kill him. Hey. Have a nice day, sir.
Come now. I might look 60, but inside I'm just 16. You need to come and test and see. I will get you.
Guys, say something.
How many times?
If you're new Jacob, say what you want to say now.
It's alright, it's alright. I want to discuss something very important with you guys.
Everything.
Important. Please go straight to the point.
As you guys all know, I've been engaged with my girlfriend for some time now. And I think it's time to do the needful. When I mean the needful, dotting the I's and crossing the T's. You're beginning to align.
Not you.
But your girlfriend, you can get patient too. In fact, she's the most patient girl I've ever seen. You know, someone you dated for 5 years. You give her a ring since 5 years. You engage her since 5 years. It's now that you want it.
I've been waiting for this good news since.
Mike, I'm better than you who cannot even keep a girl for 1 month.
No. You guys should just stop.
Mug.
Can we hear him? Like, what are your plans?
Good. You see, I have like 2 months to prepare for. Okay, we We have like 2 months. I'm not talking about you. I and my girl have 2 months to prepare for the white and traditional wedding.
Okay.
Yeah.
2 months. It's not urgent. 2 months plan well now.
No, 2 months is not urgent. No. Let me ask you. You said 2 months is not urgent. When are you getting married?
Michael. When I get to see the lady, say old man in grey and don't even turn brownish. They ask me when I get married. And the worst is that in his office, plenty girls they come steady. Steady. If you go to this guy's office, if you see girls, you go, I don't know what's scary. I'll tell you, maybe find me one girl.
As in Michael.
That's what I saw in his office. One lady fool. They stand there, nyash they like
naturally like
I'm just
so let's be plain natural, don't like
that one I
Chief Ibebuba. Odogu, Nukumau, you are in my house. You are welcome. Odogu, Nukumau, you are welcome to my house.
I am in your house today.
Please, what do I owe this visit?
Mazeke, a seed and a seed of kola nut.
It's all right. Please just come and sit down. Come and sit down. Let me get a kola nut for you.
No. Sit down. This one is enough for now. It's okay. It's enough.
No. No, yes, Yoji.
Asukanu kameri Yoji. Samomora.
Okay.
It's good you are here. I really want to talk to both of you.
I hope everything is alright.
Everything is alright. No problem.
Yeah. Oh.
When I was driving down the road yesterday with one of my cars, I saw a beautiful girl. She looks like a Yomadama. Mazek, I couldn't resist her beauty. And when I asked about her, I was directed to this compound. You know, as a title chief, I've outgrown standing by the roadside. So I decided to come to the house.
Chief, the girl you are talking about, what is her name?
Her name? I think her name is Esonchi.
Momo! Oh, my daughter!
Her name is so unique. Everything about her is so beautiful.
It's very unique.
The girl is wonderful. She is so beautiful.
My daughter! Hi, Olinia.
Let me ask. This girl you are looking for, is it for your son?
No. For myself. You may not understand it, Mazeke. I am still very young.
For me,
huh? I am 16 inside.
I'm telling you. Not Felix, Kaibo.
It's okay. Chief, you have to talk to her yourself.
Oh, no problem.
Chief, I can actually help you talk to her.
Wow. I love that.
I can't wait to have you as my in-law.
Oh, you are on my own side.
Yes.
I love that.
Hey. No, yes,
I need to take the cola now.
It's alright. Please go inside and get her the cola.
Go and get the cola for him. Maze, are you sure you are happy?
Oh, very well. I'm happy.
Okay, that's alright.
Chief Ibe is a very rich man. Hey! If that man marries you, He might make you the manager of one of his companies. Gonyeli Moto.
But, Mama, do you even know how many wives he has?
How many? Bata 4 wives.
Mama, 7.
Even if he got married to 10 wives, you're not going there to marry his wives. You're going to marry him.
So, Mama, you want me to become his 8th wife? Is that how desperate you are?
About desperation.
Hi.
Let me teach you one thing you don't know about men. Men are polygamous in nature. Every man has 1 or 2 women out there. And you're lucky you even know all his wives. Hey.
Mama, are you even listening to yourself talk? If I were to just record you now and play it back so that you hear, you will see how shameful you actually sound.
Are you mad? How dare you talk to me like that? Because I'm trying to advise you. Are you okay? Whether you like it or not, you must marry that man. If you go to Chifibe, you must marry him.
Olachi, you lie.
What's it?
You lie. Olachi, you lie. No one forced you to marry me. No one forced you to marry me. No one forced you to marry me. No one will force my daughter into a marriage against her wish.
You don't want your daughter to marry. Okay, you want to marry her.
Of course I will not marry her. But I will never allow anyone to force my daughter into any man's house. No one will do that.
Hey, Ekech, whether you like it or not, if for that marriage, it has already taken place. I'm even preparing to go for Omugwoketa.
Big lie.
All right.
Now listen, my daughter. I believe you know what you want. I want you to stand by it. I will support you. I will only caution you when I see you go wrong. Okay?
Thank you, Papa.
It's okay. It's okay.
You're not even going out.
Of course not.
You see that marriage? If you Chifibe, in no chagia. No chagia.
Okay, maybe later in the evening. Later in the evening, yes. It's alright. Don't forget to bring that stuff. Thank you. Alright.
Oh, yeah, fine. Where is she now?
She went out to get something, I told you, so. But she will be here soon.
Soon be here. Look at the time now.
Calm down now. Take it easy, bro.
Hey, Peter.
Oh, yeah, she comes.
Hello.
Yeah, Abigail, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah. Good. Abigail, meet Michael. Mike, that's Abigail.
Hi. Abigail, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
You're pretty.
You look cute too.
Okay then, let's go for lunch.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's fine.
That'll be fine.
That's okay.
Okay, fine. I'll call you then.
It's alright, bro. Have fun, okay?
That's okay.
Yeah.
Ogo! Hey! Welcome. Oh. No.
How are you doing?
Fine. Oh.
Is your husband around?
No. He went out to buy snuff.
I hope my wife is around.
She's always at home.
That's good.
She cannot go out of the house unless I tell her to.
That is very wonderful. I can't wait to make her my wife.
Chai.
That is the kind of girl I want in my life now.
Oh.
In fact, let me give her this. Let her get something for herself.
Chief.
Let her get something for herself.
Okay.
But can I see her?
But let me call her. Because sit down.
It's alright.
Yeah. No. Look at me. I'm searching for you all over the place. I will be. Can't you find him? I will be. Hey! Knock around. Your husband. No. Your chief has come to see you. He's waiting outside.
It seems that man really wants me to insult him.
Yeah. That man really guinea. If I don't pour you acid, just change my name from Olachi to Bingo. Are you mad? I think I have kept quiet for too long. Now that I want you to marry, you must marry. One Butina collect. That man has spent over 200,000 naira in cash on us. I don't know how much gifts he has been showering you with. In our collect, now you have the guts to tell me that you must marry that man. Are you okay? Are you moving now or you want me to carry you?
Mama, leave me alone, no. Leave me alone. You can't even carry me.
You think so?
Mama, I'm just respecting you because you are my mother.
If not,
leave me.
If not, what
Mama,
can you
do? Nothing. Leave me.
Hey, this girl, you're mad though. If you don't leave now, one of us will die here. And definitely it's not going to be me. We can move. What's up, Biro? Move also. And try and be nice. Move.
Good day, my angel. What's up with you now?
Where are you going? Come back here! Esomchi!
Leave her. She's a young girl. Don't worry. Alright.
Chief.
Don't worry. I see how much you are trying to make your daughter marry me. If you succeed in doing that, I am going to buy you a new car. A new car.
For me?
And I'm going to give you a huge amount of money.
Hi. Chief. Whenever you want to come and pay our bride price, just let me know. I'll make it possible. Nobody can stop it.
There is no problem.
Oh.
I will come very soon.
Okay.
Thank
you.
Oh,
bye-bye. Jehovah, me, Olachi, a new car. Esomchi, Chief must marry you.
Esomchi, calm down. Every time your blood is high. You see? So after all the love I profess for you, even bought you some gifts that you rejected, you finally went to settle for an old man.
I don't know what you're talking about.
An old man that is old enough to be your father.
What are you talking about?
Let me tell you something. If I were you, even if you don't want me, I think there are some young men, good young men, not settling for an old man, not even only the beauty. You're even wasting the waste. Esomchi, waka.
You're welcome.
Michael, your place is beautiful.
Thank you.
Are you serious?
Thank you. Please make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
What do I offer you?
Nothing.
Hey, don't even say
I'm
that.
fine.
No, I refuse. You can't come to my house without taking anything. Please say what you want.
Would you give me anything I want?
Why not? You're my guest.
Okay. I want coffee.
Just coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Fine. Coffee, you shall get. Just relax.
Michael, vanilla flavored coffee.
Done.
Very hot.
It's fine.
Very hot.
It's fine, I got this. Money too hot? Abigail. Oh. Abigail! Where's that my visitor? Where's that my visitor? The girl I just came back with.
I don't even know where she is. I say my report this to police. I don't know where she go, Oga. I swear, I don't know where she go, Oga.
What? It has finished me. It has finished me. Open the gate for me!
Yes, sir.
Boy, calm down now. I'm already on my way. I have the money here. Calm down, Joe. You don't reach your turn now. See how you're calling. Yeah. No props. Later then. So where do I drop you?
I would have loved to go to your place today, but it seems you're busy.
Wait, you finally accepted to come to my house today?
Mm-hmm.
Are you for real?
Yes.
Why today of all days though?
I'll be traveling to Enugu tomorrow.
Okay.
From there, I'll be going to my village, and in a month, I think I'll be there for a month's time. So that's why.
Damn. So what do we do now? You know what? Let's go to my place. Let's go to my place.
I thought you told someone that you'll be on your way.
No, I can call him up later. Or I can even make a transfer. Why do I even want to give him the money cash? I'll make a transfer. Okay? Wow, finally. Well, I just wanted to take it easy. Your belt. Put your belt on. I love your dress though.
Thank you.
I said that before.
I know.
Wow.
Finally.
Well, it's fine though. It's fine. I hope you're going to pray for me tomorrow. Of course, you always pray for me. But that's one thing I love about you. I won't lie. That's one thing. I love the fact that you take God seriously.
Of course, we have to.
That girl you introduced me to stole my money. We need to call her and track her down now.
Don't understand what you're saying.
What do you mean you don't understand? The girl stole my money. Who? The girl.
That prayer warrior in my church?
Yes.
Born again Christian?
Oh, please, can you stop asking questions? Just call her, look for her. We need to track her down.
No. How? Come, bro. How did it happen? Let me try her line, please. This is not possible. Switched off.
Oh, I was only trying to help, someone who needs my help. But when I found out it would turn to be this way, be careful who you help.
Why do I have hard luck when it comes to women? When will all this end? Do I have hope? How long more do I have to suffer?
Look what I've done to myself. Oh, Onwabia, Odiku Abugo. Onwabia, Odiku Abugo. So where do I go? Where do I go? And what do I do?
Please, it's not what you think. Please, nothing happened between us. Please, it's not what you think.
So what do you think I'm thinking?
He used to be my ex-boyfriend. We dated before I met Ejiofor. So I told him I was about to get married, and then he told me that we should have a night out for the last time. Please, you know, I said let's just.
You know what? Just save yourself that explanation.
Please save my marriage. Mike, please go. Mike.
Baby,
Who is your baby? Sonia, who is your baby? Sonia, you had the temerity, the sagacity to cheat on me a few weeks to our wedding. You went around sleeping with miscreants, deviants. Did I do anything wrong to you?
No. I am sorry. It's not what you think. Yeah. I can explain.
Yeah, it's not what I think. Sonia, really, it's not what I think. You know what? It is high time we dotted the I's and crossed the T's. This relationship is over.
No, sweetheart. Ejiofor, it's me, Sonia. You can't just throw me away. You can't do this to me. Please. You can't just throw me out like that. After how many years? I am sorry. I beg of you.
I can do it to you.
Yes.
Yeah, I can do it to you. Sonia, you know I can condone everything except infidelity. Just one thing. I can't condone infidelity. You know why? Because I don't cheat. I'm just, okay, just come to think of it now. I don't cheat, and now I'm getting married to a woman that cheats. Is it an equilibrium? Does it match? Is it one?
Ejiofor, please don't do this to me. After all we shared, please. Not now.
Get out.
Not now.
Get out!
No, please!
Get out!
Leave my house!
If I ever set my eyes on you again, I will decapitate your body.
Amara. Amara, I don't know why I have such a woman as my mother.
It's okay, my friend. It's okay, please. Stand your ground. Okay? Stand your ground.
Every time she keeps pressuring me. She wants me to get married to one old, dirty, scruffy man.
That's not fair now. It's not good. I hope you did not accept.
No.
Good. See, you just have to think of something.
What should I do now? What should I do?
Don't you have friends? Like schoolmates? Old friends now? Roommates? You know, when you are in the university, you know, don't you have any friend that you can communicate with? Someone that is in the city. Someone that you can just go there, spend some time, you know, cool your head. From there, you might even start a new life. You should have now. You don't need all this. You know, I hate it when you cry. You have to go through your phone when you get home, okay? Think. Definitely you'll find one person. You know, go. Let's go to my house. Okay, let's go.
I can't forgive myself for being so naive. Jude has finally put me in trouble. I had that feeling. Why didn't I open my mind? But that Michael is a beast. After all I begged him, after all my tears, he still wouldn't listen to me. Now he has made me lose my mind. Oh my God.
Don't spoil this game. Who be that? Calm down, who be that?
Who is that now?
Nobody gets
Calm
straight.
down.
Stupid! If you come for me, I'll
Sonia.
cut your head, idiots!
You know about it?
You have the mouth to call me Sonia.
Sonia, is everything alright?
Is everything alright? You have the mouth to call my name Sonia. Are you stupid? After I begged you, you went ahead to tell him.
Sonia, come on. You don't expect me not to tell him. He's my friend, my boon companion.
Oh, he is your friend. Oh, you didn't consider me. You know how many years we dated? Right at the point he was supposed to get married to me, you fool! Idiot!
Oga! They shoot you. This girl will shoot.
Ejiofor, you did this to me. Ejiofor, you're such a beast. After all we shared, Ejiofor, why did you do this to me?
Hello, Sonia, my friend.
Hello?
It's me, Esomchi. Hope you remember me.
Yes, how are you, Sochi?
My sister. I'm fine, no. My sister, village life has humbled me. It has really humbled me. You will not understand. I wish I had somewhere to go to. No, it's just somewhere I can go to for it, you know.
Okay. Okay, you want to come around. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, okay. You know that's what you guys say, like you want to come to the city, but you can I need someone around me. I need to talk to someone I feel lonely. You can come, please. Just come around.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you, eh? God bless you. Okay, okay. Thank you.
Hi. Good morning. Looks like you're waiting for a taxi or something.
Yes, but I haven't gotten any yet.
Okay, fine then. Let me drop you off.
No, no, thank you, sir. No.
Why not? It's just a lift. Let me drop you off. I can take you to where you're going.
Thank you, sir.
Hello? Wow. She's so pretty. Looks like she's new in the estate. Wow. Nice.